Hello, everyone. My name is JWinder, and this is my EDL 856 Module 1 Various Communication Forms and Personal Video. A little bit about me and who I am personally. I am a 2002 graduate of Troy High School in Troy, Kansas. I've been happily married to my wife Callie here for 14 years. Callie and I love the outdoors and enjoy staying active. Chances are you will catch me on a beautiful golf course or riding my bike in the summer. Callie and I just recently moved back to the Troy and Highland, Kansas area with plans to build a home. A little bit about who I am professionally. I'm a 2007 graduate of Missouri Western State University with a bachelor's degree in physical education. I am currently in my 14th year teaching and coaching in the Wathena and Riverside School District. I started teaching in Wathena in 2008 and stayed on through consolidation. Currently, I'm coaching junior high football and junior high track. I've also coached basketball in the past as well. My favorite part of this profession is building relationships with my students and the staff I work with. It's my daily goal to make a positive impact on every student I encounter. How do I communicate? Looking at forms of communication here. The forms of communication I currently use, my top form of communication right now would be Class Dojo, and that's talking about communication with parents. Class Dojo is a wonderful tool that's provided to us through our district. I can click on the Class Dojo app from my phone or from my computer and instantly connect with a parent. Yeah, I can do several things on that resource. It's pretty awesome. The next would be the school Facebook page. I use that quite a bit through our technology department. If there's something that I want to get out to all of our stakeholders, I can instantly get with them and have them put that out on our Facebook page. And then my school provided email and school provided phone are my next two forms of communication. And then my last form of communication will be my personal cell phone if needed. Looking at methods of introducing myself as a building leader. As I looked at our resources, I found three things that really matched up with who I am personally. I felt like sharing my story is something that I would be doing with others. Sharing what I believe in. I think I'm a pretty passionate person, so I don't really have too much trouble sharing with others what I believe in and my convictions and why I do what I do. And then third would be showing vulnerability or, letting my staff know and others know that I'm human, I make mistakes. I'm there to help them through any problems we may encounter together, and I'm there to be on the same team as them. So I think it's important to um, let them know that I'm humble. I'm not more special than them, or I don't know any more than them. I'm literally there to do what's best for them, do what's best for our students, do what's best for our school. So I think those three things match up well with me and my personality. Looking at our district policy for communicating effectively. Our district uses several forms of communication like staff memos, newsletters, district social media, our school website, and Class Dojo. Our USD 114 commitment is to provide ongoing communication between parents, students, and staff members. My CLO 5.3 correlation. This assignment correlated very well with Standard 5.3. It allowed me to think about how many ways I communicate through oral, written, and digital means with the larger organizational, community, and political context when advocating for the needs of our school and community. Furthermore, all of them allow me to engage families, the community, and school personnel in order to strengthen student learning, support school improvement, and advocate for the needs of our school community. Relevancy Statement. This assignment was very relevant to my current learning. To me, it reinforced the importance of great communication, which is crucial in our business today. It also helped improve my understanding of how to introduce myself by sharing my story, communicating my beliefs, and being vulnerable. Those were the qualities that best lined up with who I am. Personal reflection. This assignment was very beneficial to me in a few ways. It confirmed my belief in the use of healthy communication with all students, staff, and stakeholders through many different forms. It also helped me see the ways I personally would best introduce myself as a building leader. I believe that I will definitely be a better educator and future building leader from the knowledge I have gained through this assignment. Thank you all for listening, and I look forward to continuing through this course with you all. Take care.